Warren Buffett once said, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. Welcome to the Great Shield Investing channel. Let's go get it. Let's get it. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Great Shield Investing channel. My name is Ekin Famor. I welcome you once again, and I'm excited to be here with you as always. Yeah, let's get into it. Today, I'm really excited. There's been some great news in the stock market and also in the cryptocurrency market. So today, I'm going to be talking about MoneyGram. And there's been some good news coming out from MoneyGram in the last just over a week or about 2 weeks now. We've been having good information and good news coming out from MoneyGram. So the first one I want to touch today is a news, an article that came out as of May 26th. This is about MoneyGram and Uber launching partnerships. This is to support drivers during the global pandemic, this crisis that is going on. So this came out on the 26th, just about a week ago, I guess. And the news actually came out, let's check, I think it's about a week ago. Yeah, that was last week, Tuesday, just a little bit over a week ago. So basically, the news broke out like right after, close to the end of a market day on Tuesday last week. And the price of MoneyGram stock shares went as high as about 20–30%, towards the end of the day of Tuesday. And before that, we didn't know that there was news coming out, but the way the stock, the price of the stock just went, parabolic, it went so high, we knew something was actually brewing behind the scenes. And boom, at about 3 p.m., this news came out. So basically, MoneyGram, we know, has been struggling for a while, but they've been trying to reinvent themselves. MoneyGram has been, for those of you that don't know, sometime last year, a digital asset company, Ripple. If you're not very familiar with Ripple, Ripple is a company that is involved in remittance, and they provide a lot of solutions for international remittance, and they work with banks. And they are also a big, a larger, or the largest share holding XRP. XRP is a digital asset. So Ripple, they provide solutions for international remittance of funds, and then they also provide other types of solutions. They have what they call, it's called a RippleNet or Ripple app, and they have different types of products that banks and financial institutions are already using outside of XRP. XRP is a digital token, which is a open source on the blockchain technology. It's on the distributed ledger, DLT, distributed ledger technology, which helps move money and settlement of remittance of funds, international remittance of funds within a few seconds. You can move money around the world, just like we send email around the world. You can push your phone and you'll get the email within 2 seconds. Same thing is what XRP is a digital token. And let's see what XRP is on the cryptocurrency listing. So XRP is like right number 4. This is Coin Paprika. Coin Paprika, I like it. It's a listing cryptocurrency website. And XRP is like number 4. Now XRP used to be number 2, number 3, but now Tether is number 3. But see, look at the price of XRP. It's just 20 cents. This is an opportunity. If you don't know anything about XRP, it's an opportunity to try to do some research. I believe it's one of the the greatest digital asset ever created. I'm invested in XRP, and these are the top 100 cryptocurrency by market capitalization in the world. Bitcoin being number one, Ethereum, and just keep going down the list. There are a whole lot of good projects here. Cardano, Tezos, Stellar, Chainlink, Crypto.com. These are some good project. Binance Coin, I'm invested in a couple of them. But don't let me go too much, because today I just want to focus on how the cryptocurrency and the stock market can actually connect, and also how you can make money on both sides. So I'm heavily invested in the cryptocurrency market. I have a couple of digital assets here that I'm invested in, and I also do stock trading, and I'm invested in a couple of different good companies in the stock market. MoneyGram is one of them. And the reason I invested in MoneyGram is because I saw the partnership that Ripple that is, they are like the largest investor in XRP. They hold a whole lot of XRP, but XRP is an open source. It's, it's not controlled by Ripple, but Ripple has the largest pool of XRP. But they partnered with MoneyGram sometime last year in 2019, and they invested about $50 million in MoneyGram because MoneyGram has been, struggling. The competition, competition in the financial space, moving money around the world, they've been crushed by Western Union and some other fintech companies have been crushing MoneyGram. But I was excited last year when Ripple actually partnered with them and invested about 50 million. And they've been using, MoneyGram has been using XRP, which I told you earlier on. XRP is a digital token. It's on the distributed ledger technology that moves money around the world within a few seconds. And XRP can transact over, I think, maybe about 15,000 transactions within a few minutes. I believe so. Please do check that. I might not be 100% correct on that one, but the XRP can be used to move a lot of transaction. I think Visa is like on the top of the list when it comes to the amount of transaction you can do within a few seconds or a few minutes, but XRP is way up there as well. So MoneyGram partnered with Ripple last year, and now, as of last week, they're partnering with Uber. Uber is an international company. We all know about Uber. So this also boosted MoneyGram stock price, and it shoot up from about maybe around $1.99, $2, because I'm heavily invested in MoneyGram. So I know I bought a whole lot. Okay, before I go deeper, let me show you this. That's why I was saying that you can make money in the cryptocurrency market, and you can also make money in the stock market. As of February 20th, 2020, these are some of my stock picks that I picked out when, the current crisis that we were going through globally, that, all of us just went through, the global crisis that is, affecting all companies, all nations around the globe. The market within the United States came down. We know what happened in the month of March. But before March, I already picked out a few stocks because I knew what was coming. So, and I put a price range. This is my buy range. I was going to buy, MoneyGram between $1, $1.10 and $1.50. But I bought a whole lot of MoneyGram around $1.40, $1.50. That was my price range. But it came down as low as around maybe $1.10, $1.13 or $1.18. But I didn't wait for it to get down. I had my buy range. So I bought a whole lot of MoneyGram around $1.40, $1.50. And as of today, June 3rd. So I bought a lot of MoneyGram around February, March. So let's just say March, April, May, June. That's 3 months range. So what I bought at let's say I bought my average, let's say 150. As of today, MoneyGram has gone up as high as, actually went as high as 380, almost 390 on Monday. And the reason for it going as high as 394, actually it went over $4, was there was another news that came out over the weekend. Let me show you. Another good news for Western Union. This is Western Union has made a takeover offer for MoneyGram. And this is the good news for MoneyGram because Western Union is interested in buying out MoneyGram. We know that these are the two big players in the remittance of funds and transfer of money globally. Other than all the smaller fintech companies that are just coming up, Western Union has been around for years, for many, many, many years, and they are way bigger than MoneyGram. So they're trying to buy out MoneyGram because they can sense what MoneyGram is doing. The partnership that MoneyGram is actually making right now is positioning MoneyGram in a good place. Ripple is invested in MoneyGram. They just partner with Uber. Western Union knows that if they don't, get on board, they're gonna be left behind. If you remember the story of Netflix and Blockbuster, that's for another day. So Western Union is, this news broke on Monday, and the stock price of MoneyGram went as high. Let's check it out. Let me show you something real quick. Let's see here. I'm gonna bring up MoneyGram. And also, this is Brave browser. If you guys don't know anything about Brave browser, this is beautiful. I love Brave browser. Check out this Elon Musk. See the SpaceX when it was taken off on Saturday. So Brave browser, you can see I've accumulated about 7.5 BAT Brave rewards, which is about almost $2. This is just for me using this website, Brave browser. And Brave browser, Brave, which is BAT, is also a blockchain technology, is one of these cryptocurrencies here. Let me show you the token of Brave. This is basic attention token, BAT. This is one BAT is about 23 cents right now. So I'm also invested in BAT. I bought a couple of BAT. Guys, if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, there are a whole lot of good projects within the cryptocurrency market. And some of these projects actually have real life use case. Not all of them have, use case. Some do have. XRP is used for, moving money internationally, international remittance and settlement of funds within a few seconds. That's a good one. Cardano is going to be more like Ethereum 2.0. More of smart contract and building of DeFi, decentralized finance services. So there are a lot of good projects here. BAT, this is the website. Look at it. This is beautiful. Don't you see? And for me, downloading BAT and using Brave browser for my browsing and for my internet, whatever I'm doing, I'm making fun. I'm making money. Look at it right here. Just for me, estimated earnings so far for this month. And this is not the only computer I have in the house. All my computers and laptops in the house, I have downloaded Brave browser. So I'm making money on all my devices in the house. So if you're saying, just because you're saying, 7.5 BAT here, I have a whole lot. So by the time I move everything, I transfer all my rewards into my private cold ledger, and I keep my funds there. These can be very, very, can go as high. I don't know how high it can go, but this can be a very good project in the future. I believe in Brave, in Brave browser. So let me go on Google. I want to bring up MoneyGram and let us see what MoneyGram has done so far. MGR is the symbol for MoneyGram. Okay, so guys, let's take a look at this. As of today, end of today, MoneyGram closed about $3.12. But let me just let's go over 1 month and you see what I'm talking about. Look at the green. Guys, this is 1 month. I'm talking about a month as of May. Look at it right here. It was trading at $1.47. It's not. just a month ago today. This was May 4th, and today is June 4th. Exactly 1 month, guys. So if you had invested, whatever amount you have as of a month ago, you would have made over 100% gain. Can you believe that? In 30 days. So if you put $1,000 as of May 4th, today, this is June 4th, is over $3. So 150 plus 150 is $3. That's $3. And now it's trading way above $3. It went as high as of, it went up almost $4 on Monday, guys. So look at that. MoneyGram is, heading way higher. I believe in this company. Other bigger companies are actually interested in MoneyGram. So guys, I'm not surprised that Western Union wants to buy out MoneyGram. So I'm not going to read this, but let me just read, maybe just a few sentences here. So Western Union has made a takeover offer for its fellow legacy remittance firm, Bloomberg reports. The deal is yet to be finalized and may not come to fruition, but if it does, it would join two of the largest remittance firms in the world. Western Union brought in $4.4 billion in revenue from its consumer-to-consumer segment in 2019, while MoneyGram recorded over $1.1 billion in money transfer revenue last year. So you can see these are big companies. They're doing good. It's no joke. 4.4 billion for Western Union and 1.1 billion for MoneyGram. So guys, this is gonna be a good acquisition if it actually goes through. I believe this is gonna be great. So guys, I'm making money in the stock market. MoneyGram is giving me some money, and I'm also invested in a couple of projects here in the cryptocurrency market. So guys, I just want to share that with you, that there are good things happening in the stock market and there are good things happening in the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday, Bitcoin went as high as over $10,000 and then it dropped back to about 9,400. And those are signs that, a cryptocurrency market is in a bull. We're in a bull market right now, meaning that all these things are going to go way higher. See all the greens here in the last 24 hours, everything is green. 7 days, everything is green. Guys, don't be left out. This is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my own personal, preference and information. It's just for educational purposes. You can use it to educate yourself and to guide yourself. But whenever you want to invest your money, you need to do your own due diligence. This is, educational. I'm just putting this video together. So that's a disclaimer, guys. Do your own due diligence, do your own research before you invest your money in anything, guys. So I'm not a financial advisor. It's just for educational purposes. And finally, let me wrap up this video. I'm just going to show you some of my stock picks. I'm sorry. It's really late. It's about 1:30. I'm tired. I need to go to sleep. So as of February 28th, 2020, these are some of my stock picks. I did, call out a couple of stocks. For those of you that are interested, I have a website. You can also go on my website if you want to get some privileges to some of my stock picks. What I pick for myself, I can share that with you if you truly want, to have some guidance on what I do have in my portfolio. You can set up a time. Go on my website. This is my website here. Let's bring that up. So you can go on here and book your appointment with me. I can have a one-on-one with you. I also have different modules on my website where you can learn the basics, baby steps for getting into cryptocurrency and baby steps for getting into stock market. So you can do that and go on my website, book a time, and then I'll give you one-on-one time. I'll also share some of what I'm buying and the price range that I'm buying. So as of this same time, 3 months ago, Macy's was trading around $4 to $5. I bought these are the things that I bought. So as of today, I'm just sharing today, June the 3rd, Macy's is like almost $8, $7.80. General Electric was trading around $5 and $5.20. I bought like $5.20, $5.30. As of today, June 3rd, General Electric is trading at $7.40. United Airlines, we all know what happened because of the problems of the crisis that were the global crisis. Stocks of all airlines came down, but I know United Airlines is one of the top solid, airline companies. It came down as low as $17.80. Guys, look at that. It's almost 100% within 3 months. United Airlines has gone back up over $33. Guys, these are just a few. I have a whole lot of picks. So if you really want to have access to my portfolio and my picks, you can go on my website and, let's have a one-on-one time. And I have these mentorship educational packages here that we can, I can share with you. And I also have a one-on-one time with you guys. I think that's it for this video, guys. If you like the content that I'm producing, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Give my videos a thumbs up and share with your friends. I'll be dropping another video within the next 1 or 2 days. And also click on the notification bell. That way, every time I drop a new video, you'll be notified right away that I just dropped the video. So guys, it's an exciting time. It's an exciting period. There is opportunity in the stock market, and there is great opportunity and potential in the cryptocurrency market. I'm excited for both, and I'm heavily invested in both. Guys, see you later. Stay blessed and keep safe. Bye.